Hello everyone, we are going to learn about some important limits. Here functions are fx and gx, argument is x, real constants are a and k. First, limit x tends to a, f of x plus gx is equal to limit x tends to a fx plus limit x tends to a gx. That is limits of sums is equal to sum of limits. Limit x tends to a f of x minus gx is equal to limit x tends to a fx minus limit x tends to a gx. That is limit of difference is equal to difference of limits. Limit x tends to a fx into gx is equal to limit x tends to a fx into limit x tends to a gx. That is limit of product. Limit of products is equal to products of limits. Limit x tends to a f of x by gx is equal to limit x tends to a fx by limit x tends to a gx, provided limit x tends to a gx is non-equal to 0, that is denominator is non-zero. Limit x tends to a fx by gx is equal to limit x tends to a f dash x by limit x tends to a g dash x by L'Hopital's rule. Limit x tends to a k times fx is equal to k times limit x tends to a f of x. Limit x tends to a f of g of x is equal to f of limit x tends to a g of x. Limit x tends to a fx is equal to f of a if the function is continuous at x is equal to a. Limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0 tan inverse x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1, x is in radian. Limit x tends to 0 sin inverse x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to plus minus infinite of 1 plus 1 by x whole raised to the power x is equal to e. Limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole raised to the power 1 by x is equal to e. Limit of e raised to the power x minus 1 by x when x tends to 0 is equal to 1. Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus k by x whole raised to the power x is equal to e raised to the power k. Limit x tends to limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole raised to the power n minus 1 by x is equal to n. Limit n tends to infinity x raised to the power n by n is equal to 0. Limit n tends to infinity x raised to the power n is equal to 0 when minus 1 less than x less than 1. limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to logarithm of a base e. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to a, x raised to the power n minus a raised to the power n by x minus a is equal to n into a raised to the power n minus 1. Limit x tends to infinity, a raised to the power x is equal to infinity if a is greater than 1, 1 if a is equal to 1, 0 if 0 less than or equal to a less than infinity. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x is equal to 1. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment. Please press the bell icon to get notifications.